We are in Phuket, finally. This looks like Goa, but no offense. Okay, guys, so this is my resort. I'll show you the room also, but this is how it looks. I mean, it's really nice. It's really big. It looks like we are living in a jungle, like in the middle of the jungle, right? So this is our room and this is our washroom. I love it because it's so aesthetic and we got the bathtub as well. And yeah, here we got a big mirror finally because we didn't get in Bangkok. And the view, oh my god, I was so in love with this view, but very pretty. Guys, so it's the first day in Phuket, and honestly, I couldn't record yesterday night because we were so tired. We were just in the bed for the whole night. We didn't go anywhere. I mean, we did go to have our dinner, and we had Italian, and it was really amazing. I mean, it's nearby, like our resort only itself, but amazing vibe. Like I like the sunlight because I don't know. I love summer. हम जा रहे हैं मसाज कराने because we really need one. So yeah, let's see how is the experience and everything. मैंने कभी कराया नहीं है बाहर कंट्रीज में, मतलब ये फुट मसाज वगैरह कराया है बट नॉट द होल बॉडी. आई रियली वांटेड टू एक्सपीरियंस थाईलैंड का मसाज. लेट्स सी व्हाट्स द हाइप. So this is our massage place and it was so aesthetic, so calm. So guys, I couldn't record again because we were so busy getting ready and everything like that. But we have come to this beautiful, beautiful cafe. I mean, the view is, I don't know how to describe in words, but it's unreal. I just did, but let me show you. Wait. Guys, the view from this place is unreal. I mean, that's not the whole view. And we are going to the new cafe also. Like, एक और cafe जा रहे हैं अभी, वो भी दिखाती हूँ. But yeah. Guys, बस कर. ये मेरी हालत हो चुकी है फोटोज के बाद और ये लोग थक गए हैं मेरे व्लॉग से. मैं हार नहीं मानने वाली हूँ बट मैं कुछ व्लॉग नहीं कर पाई while I was like getting flaked and everything like that. और अब हम जा रहे हैं योना बीच क्लब. I might show you what's seen over there. I mean, I don't know if I get the time, but let's hope for the best. Okay guys, it's the next day and I couldn't record again yesterday for obvious reasons क्योंकि हम इतनी जल्दी में होते हैं, हर वक्त जल्दी में होते हैं and आज भी हम जल्दी में ही हैं. Now today we are going to old Phuket town, old town, I don't know, yeah, whatever. And आज भी मैं वेट कर रही हूँ सार्थक और रिद्धि का. So yes, we'll keep it going on and on.
वेट कर रही हूँ, हम रेडी हैं गाइस. इसने टाइम लिया.
So meanwhile, I'm waiting for the cab to come, and I'll also show you the resort, how it looks like. And this is the reception area. It's really simple and nice. Even we haven't explored it yet because we were getting so late every day. But yeah, यहाँ से सारे ऐसे बने हुए हैं. There are many huts also, private villas also inside the resort itself. So वैसा view है. गाइस कैब आ गई है. मतलब अभी 10 मिनट दिखा रहा था कि कैब नहीं आई है और एकदम से दिखा रहा है कि आ गई. तो आई कांट शो यू द होल विला अभी इतना ही ठीक है, काफी है. फोटोज देख लेना नेट पे. नो, वी आर वेजिटेरियन. नॉट फ्रॉम हियर. ओल्ड टाउन पिज्जा. आई डोंट माइंड द पिज्जा. वेयर इज रिद्धि? Look at this bag. I mean, this is so unique. I don't know, like it's so unique.
Yeah.
It's for 799, which is about.
अच्छा बात कितना है साथ में कैलकुलेटर?
Huh? 2400 in INR.
Not bad.
हाँ, I mean, but मैं तो कैरी नहीं करूँगी. But yeah, this is how Old Town looks like. यहाँ हम शॉपिंग करने वाले हैं, but अभी हमें भूख लग रही है. So we are just gonna eat first. गाइस, मैं ना पिज्जा पास्ता खा के बहुत ज़्यादा बोर हो चुकी हूँ बट मुझे वही मिल रहा है रोज खाने को. Can't help it. We are just finding food in another country. Just a Indian problem or maybe like a vegetarian problem. finally we found a place to eat vegetarian food, and it's quite different. Like I think Istanbul cafe. Istanbul ka koi cafe I guess. But anyways, we got some really amazing vegetarian options over here. Oh, she just did that. But anyways, let me show you around. Hi Sarthak. So this is the cafe. Food is here, and I'm so excited to eat. Ordered onion ring. Let me see. Really nice. I ordered a falafel wrap, and this is how my falafel wrap looks like. It looks tempting. Guys, food was so amazing, and I'm just full now. They're looking at me like why I'm recording everything, but I don't care. So guys, we are finally here at Hey Mango in Phuket, and yes, I'm so excited to try this. So I finally got my mango viral smoothie mango shake, and honest reaction was it was nice. Honestly, it was basically a Slurpee. We are ready for the beach party today. Again, not interested. My friends are showing zero interest in my vlog, but I'll stay connected with you. I'm not losing any hope. This is me being obsessed with myself, but yeah. Hello, good morning, guys. So today we are going to Phi Island, and it's probably our last day. I mean, not last day, second last day. But I'm so excited to explore Phi Island today. This is the breakfast area. Finally, we are leaving. I'm so excited, and although I've done this so much, but I'm so excited always, like near the water and everything. I'm just a happy kid in another country, and yeah, I love being around water. So yeah, that's me.
You can keep it like a 30 minutes more. I would recommend keep it inside.
यार यहाँ पे गाइस डार्क आ रहा है, so this is the better view. I think guys photos तो आ ही गई होंगी अब. I'm not sure, but it is what it is. And now I'm hungry, so I really want to eat something. So we are gonna go and have lunch now, and I'll see you there. Again, me being obsessed with myself. Serve the fruit and some cake. Guys, we are here for lunch stop now, and I'm not able to walk because of my long dress. Yeah, यहाँ का व्यू भी काफी अच्छा है. I'm just enjoying my whole day. I think यही आज का दिन है जो मैं ढंग से vlog कर पा रही हूँ, by the way. How our lunch looked like. So we went to Bangla Market at night, and we explored some clubs and also ate banana roti, the viral banana roti, and it was nice. Hi guys, so it's the last day in Thailand, Phuket, and today we are just gonna do shopping. Families वगैरह के लिए सबको शॉप करना है, so yeah, अभी पेटोंग भी जाएंगे, but meanwhile I'm gonna explore the whole villa today because time nahi hai, and I really want some pictures, good pictures, and you can accompany me as usual. But let me show you the view. So ये हमारा विला है, और हम यहाँ चल के जा रहे हैं कहीं. तो इस तरफ ही जाना है. कहीं भी चल लो. I think ये जंगल है थोड़ा. Let's go back. Guys, कंटेंट बन गया है. मैंने शेड लगाया, ये सब हो गया है. मतलब आखिरी दिन आई वाज लाइक लेट्स यूटिलाइज दैट आल्सो. बिला में कंटेंट बना लिया थोड़ा बहुत, बट नाउ आई एम रियली टायर्ड. यू कैन सी द स्वेट ऑन माय फेस. आई एम hungry now. I'm gonna eat something now, and let me check on Ritik if she's ready. She isn't ready yet. Okay guys, so finally अब तो checkout हो ही गया है. I'm just checking last बारिक और okay, everything good. लेट्स गो. वो रूम सर्विस के लिए आ गए. बाय. अभी ब्लॉग खत्म नहीं कर रहे क्या? अभी पहले मैं आपको खाने का भी दिखाती हूँ. फाइनली वी आर ऑफ टू इंडियन. नॉट नाउ. इंडियन. इंडिया बोला मैंने. मेरे साथ रह रहे भारत महान. वी फिनिश्ड द होल फूड. और ये व्यू है. बेसिक व्यू. बेसिक कैफे. गाइस जो ब्रेकफास्ट जो किया था वो सब रिकॉर्ड नहीं कर पाए हैं क्योंकि हम लोगों को बहुत भूख लगी थी. खाना देखते ही हमने खाना शुरू कर दिया. एंड देन वी गॉट टायर्ड बिकॉज वी वर बाइंग souvenirs एंड एवरीथिंग. 7-Eleven से सामान खरीदा. वो सब किया. सो वी गॉट रियली टायर्ड. नाउ वी आर हेडिंग बैक. सो या. Okay, so this is my last coffee and I think we are just gonna board soon. And yeah, that was it for this vlog apparently है.
क्या खिला रहे हो आप?
ये देखो मतलब मैं बात कर रही हूँ आप लोगों से but they have zero civic sense that I'm talking to the camera and they're just talking behind the camera. I mean zero civic sense guys, zero civic sense. Anyways, yeah, back to this. That was it for today's vlog and I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this vlog. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.